Hi, my name is Dave. I'm the founder and owner of David Domenichini Construction. We are a residential remodeling contractor. We work predominantly throughout Silicon Valley with specific regards to Santa Clara County. We perform sort of all aspects of construction, from ADUs, accessory dwelling units, additions, whole home remodels, all the way down to kitchen and bathroom remodels. We are an independent contractor, David Domenichini Construction, but we have a sister company called Studio 38 Designs that we also own. This hybrid approach allows us to bring in design in a seamless manner, much like a design build, but at the same time, if the client has their own designer, we're not going to say, no, we won't work with you, as a lot of design build will do. So we find this hybrid approach to work out perfectly for our clients. When we ask our clients what are their biggest fears, they tap into their past experience with general contractors, and they remember the job took way longer than they were promised, it cost more than they were told, and they didn't have effective communication. So to address those, and we focus on this, when we give our proposals, we're not just there for a couple of hours and 3 days later, here's your proposal. We do thorough site investigations, bring our entire team, we climb in the attic, we climb in the basement, we identify if there's asbestos, if there's a lead that needs to be removed. That's included in our proposal. Secondly, we are very good about creating a detailed schedule of that project, and we actually have something called the guarantee completion date. So these things are the way we're able to address those concerns. We get the job done on the price we promised, we have a guarantee completion date that we're going to get it done the day we promised, and we have effective communication with our in the cloud software program. We survey our clients, and we do it a couple of times. We actually do a mid-temperature check halfway through the project. We've defined sheetrock as the best point, because up until then, there's been a lot of work going in your house. And although we have meetings, you have a dedicated project manager on your project, and we have weekly meetings with the entire management team, that project manager may think everything is going great. Best way to find out, survey the client. And we may find out that maybe the job isn't as clean as the client would like. Well, this gives us an opportunity to course correct the duration of the project, so that when we cross the finish line, we have raving fan clients. If I was backed into the corner and somebody says, what set you guys apart from the competition? I would probably lean a little more into what I mentioned earlier, the guarantee completion date, and what's soon to come, our guaranteed no change order. Those are the pains that clients feel the most. If they know that the job's gonna be done on this date with confidence, and they can follow it every day with the communication through our software, they have a level of confidence and they feel at ease. If they know that they're not going to be spending a bunch of money more on change orders because the contractor didn't do a thorough site investigation in the beginning, they feel very relieved and satisfied. I'm sure it sounds cliche, but at David Domenichini Construction, we don't just perform remodeling projects. We build trust and we build relationships. The majority of our leads come from referrals or they're repeat clients. So if you do have a project that you're considering, kitchen or bath, or maybe even an addition or a whole home remodel, give us a call. Let's chat about it.